What if I told you that your phone could become a small income machine without spending hundreds of dollars or learning complicated skills? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, today I am going to tell you some of the best apps that people are using to earn extra money from their phones. Some of these apps can pay you a few dollars a day, while others have the potential to become a serious side hustle if you are consistent. And here's the deal, I am not talking about scams or apps that promise you will become right overnight. Every app in this video is real, available to millions of users, and actually pays. So if you find even one app that helps you earn extra cash, do me a quick favor and hit the like button because it really helps the channel reach more people. Now let's get started. Most people think making money online requires expensive equipment or years of experience, but that's no longer true. Today, all you need is a smartphone and internet connection and a little consistent. Listen carefully because one of the apps I will mention later has helped many users earn much more than the average survey apps, and most people don't even know about it. Before we jump into the list, I want to set realistic expenses. Now, one of the apps will make a millionaires overnight. If anyone tells you that you will earn $1,000 tomorrow just by tapping your skin, they are probably trying to sell you something. The people in this video are practical. Some of are great for earning a little extra spending money, while others can grow into a real side hustle overnight. Let's start with the first app. The app number first is Swigbucks. If you ever reach someone for ways to make money online, you have probably heard of this one, but many people never use it correctly. Swigbucks give you multiplication ways to earn instead of realistic on just one method. You can complete surveys, watch selected videos, play games, shop online for cashback, and even search the web. That's what makes it different for many other reward apps. Imagine you have 20 or 30 minutes during your lunch break or while watching TV. Instead of endlessly scrolling through social media, you could complete a few simple tasks and slowly build up your balance. Many users can anywhere from $20 to even $100 per month depending on how active they are. It's not life changing money, but if you are already spending time on your phone, why not make that time is more productivity? Now here's something important. Don't rely on just one earning method inside Swigbucks. Many beginners only complete surveys, but experienced users combine surveys, cashback offers, shopping rewards, and promotions to maximize their earnings. Now let's move to our second app. The second number is Survey Junkie. This app focuses mainly on surveys, but it has built a strong reputation because it's simple and strategy forward. Companies constantly need customer opinions before launching new product or involving expectation on. That's exactly where you come in. When you sign up, you will answer some people questions so that platform can match you with relatives surveys. The better you profile match a survey, the better you change of qualifying. This is important because many people get frustrated after being disqualified from surveys. But that's completely normal across almost every survey platform. Realistically, you might earn anywhere between $5 and $50 per week depending on how many surveys you qualify for and how much free time you have. Again, this is not meant to replace a full-time job. Think of it as a extra grocery money, gas money, or something others you wanted to buy. Most people don't know this, but consistently matters much more than spending hours in one day. Logging is regularly using gives you more opportunities than checking the app once or a few weeks. Now let's talk about an app that completely different. App number third is Fetch Rewards. It is probably one of the easiest apps on today's list because you are already doing the main tasks anyway. Every time you go grocery shopping, restaurants or central retail stores, you receive a script. Instead of throwing it away, you simply scan it using the app. That's it. You earn points that can later be exchanged for gift cards from popular relations. It takes less than a minute, and since you are already shopping, it does not require extra effort. Let's say you buy groceries every week. Over several months, those receipts can slowly turn into rewards you would not have received otherwise. It will not make you rich, but it's basically free rewards for purchase you are already planning to make. Listen carefully because the next tip is something many users overlook. Always scan your receipt before they expire. Many reward apps only accept receipts within a certain time period. So don't let those rewards go to waste. Now let's move on. App number 4 is Upside. This app is exceptionally useful if you drive regularly. Gas prices can be expensive and saving even a little on every fill up adds up over time. Here's how it works. Before filling you tank, you check participating gas stations inside the app. After purchasing your fuel, you verify the transaction and you receive cashback directly into your account. Some users also earn cashback at restaurants and grocery stores depending on where they live. Imagine saving just $5 every week on fuel over the 1 year. That's more than $250 back in your pocket without changing your driving habits. This is important. Saving money is another form of making money. People often focus only on earning more while ignoring opportunities to reduce their everyday expense. So far, we have covered 4 apps that require very little experience. But don't leave yet because the next app are where things before much more interesting. One of them gives you opportunities beyond simple service and cashback, and it has the potential to generate much higher earnings if you are willing to put in a little extra effort. Keep watching because that's exactly what we are covering next. Welcome back. If you are still watching, that tells me you are serious about finding real ways to earn money from your phone. And honestly, that's a good sign because the next few apps have much higher earning potential than simple survey apps. They usually require a little more effort, but the rewards can also be much bigger. So listen carefully because one of these could completely change the way you think about making money online. Let's jump into app number 5. App number 5 is Fiverr. Now before you think I am not freelancer, here's me out. Most people believe Fiverr is only for professional designs or programs, but that's simply not true. There are people earning money by writing short blog posts, recording voiceovers, editing videos, creating simple social media captions, designing basic thumbnails, translation text, proofreading documents, or even using AI tools to help clients complete tasks faster. Let's say you know how to make simple Canva designs or write decent products description. Those are skills business are already paying for every single day. You fight order might only pay $10 or $20, but after getting positive reviews, many freelancers start charging $50, $100, or even more for the same type of work. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they are perfect. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to solve a problem that someone is willing to pay for. Now let's move to another powerful platform. Our sixth number is Upwork. While Fiverr lets customers find your service, Upwork allows you to apply for jobs that clients post every day. Thousands of businesses are looking for people to help with writing, vertical assistant, customer service, graphic design, data entry, AI related tasks, and much more. Here's a realistic example. Imagine a small business owner needs someone to organize spreadsheets for 3 hours. They post the job, you apply, and if you are selected, you get paid after completing the work. One small project could earn you $30, even $50, or even several $100 depending on the task. This is important. Don't expect to win your first job immediately. Many successful freelancers send dozens of proposals before landing their first client. The key is consistency, not perfection. Now let's talk about an app that pays for something most people even think about. Now let's talk about an app that pays for something most people never even think about. App number 7 is user testing. Companies spend millions of dollars making websites and apps easier to use. Before launching new features, they want real people to test them and give honest feedback. That's where you come in. You might be asked to visit a website, complete a few simple tasks, and explain your thoughts while using it. Tests often take around 10 to 20 minutes, and some can pay around $10 for a complete season. Longer or specialized studies may pay even more. Think about that for a second. Companies are not paying you because you are an expert. They are paying you because they want your honest opinion as an everyday user. Most people don't know this, but speaking clearly during this test is one of the easiest ways to receive better ratings and qualify for more opportunities. Alright, let's move on the something that's fun for gamers. App number 8 is Mist Play. If you already enjoy playing mobile games in your free time, this app lets you earn rewards while doing something you already like. As you discover and play supported games, you collect points that can later be exchanged for gift cards. Now let's be realistic. You are not going to earn hundreds of dollars by playing games all day. But if you gaming is already part of this routine, earning a little extra on the side is certain better than earning nothing at all. Here's the key. Only play games you actually enjoy. If you force yourself to play just for rewards, you will probably quit after a few days. Now here's another app that smart shoppers love. App number 9 is Rakuten. Imagine you are already planning to buy clothes, electronics or household items online. Instead of shopping directly, you first active cashback through Rakuten. Once you purchase is complete, you receive a percentage of your money back. Let's say you are buying a $200 item and receive 10% cashback during a promotion. That's $20 back for a purchase you are already planning to make. Listen carefully because this is where many people miss out. Before buying anything online, always check whether cashback is available first. Over an entire year, those small savings can easily add up to hundreds of dollars. At this point, you have probably noticed a pattern. The best money making apps are not magic. They either help you earn by completing valuable tasks, offering useful skills, sharing your opinion, or saving money on purchase you already make. And here's something I want you to remember. Don't install 10 apps today and forget about them tomorrow. Instead, choose 2 or 3 that match your safe lifestyle and use them consistently. That's how small earnings slowly become meaningfully over time. But we are not finished yet. In the final part of this video, I am going to share some of the best apps with even more earning potential, the biggest mistake beginners make that cost them money, and my personal recommendation for which apps are worth your time in 2026. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. Welcome to final part of this video. If you have watched this far, you have already ahead of the most people because most viewers leave before hearing the apps that can have the biggest long-term impact. So let's final strong. App number 10 is Inbox Dollars. This app has one of the years and gives you multiplication ways to earn money. You can complete surveys, read promotion emails, play games, and try special offers. The biggest advantage is having defined earning opens is one place. Some days you might not qualify for service, but you can still earn through other activities. Realistically, many active users make anywhere from $20 to $100 per month. It is not enough to replace a job, but it is a great way to earn extra spending money during your free time. Now let's talk about one of my favorite categories. App number 11 is Amazon Shopper Panel. If you are invited to join, this app reward users for uploading eligible shopping receipts and completing occasionally short surveys. Since many people already shop regularly, it is not another easy way to earn rewards for purchase they are going to make anyway. Not everyone gets immediate access because availability can be limited, but it's definitely worth joining the waiting list if it available in your area. Now here's the app that many people overlook. App number 12 is Be My Eye, spelling BEMYEYE. This app pays user to complete simple local tasks for business. For example, you might visit a store, answer a few questions, or check whether a product display is set up correctly. Some tasks only take a few minutes and can pay anywhere from around $5 to $25 depending on the estimate. If you are already out shopping, this can be an easy way to earn extra cash while running errands. Now I want to share something that I think is even more valuable than any single app on this list. The biggest mistake beginners make is chasing every new make money app they see on social media. One day you are using surveys, the next day you are trying crypto apps. Then they are downloading random games that promise huge rewards. After 2 weeks, they quit because nothing seems to work. Here's the truth, real online income is built through consistency. If you spend just 20 to 30 minutes every day using a few trusted apps, you will usually earn more than someone who jumps between dozens of apps and never stick with one. This is important. Never pay money just to join a money making app. Legitimately platforms pay you for your time or skills. They don't require expensive members before you can earn. Also be careful with apps that promise guarantee income of hundreds of dollars per day with almost no effort. If yours sounds good to be true, it probably is. So if I had to recommend the best apps for different types of people, here's what idea suggest. If you are a complete beginner, start with Swigbucks, Survey Junkie and Fetch Rewards. They are simple, beginners friendly and easy to understand. If you already have a skill like writing, editing, graphic design, AI promotion or even basic virtual assistant, focus on Fiverr and Upwork because they offer much high long-term earning potential. If you shop online regularly, Rakuten and Upside are excellent choice because they help you save money while you spend. And if you enjoy testing websites and giving feedback, user testing can be one of the highest paying apps one on this list for the time you invest. Remember, none of these apps will make you rich overnight, but if your goal is to earn an extra $50, $100, or even a few $100 each month while using your phone more productively, these apps are absolutely worth trying. Now I have a question for you. Which app are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments because I read as many comments as I can. And I'd love to hear your experience. If you have already used on one of these apps, share your result so other viewers can learn from you too. And if your video helped you discover even one legitimate way to make money from your phone, don't forget to hit the like button because it tells YouTube to recommend this video to more people. Subscribe to this channel if you want more honest videos about making money online, side hustles, AI tools and small ways to increase your income without unrealistic promise. Thank you so much for watching. Stay consistent, stay curious and I will see you in the next video.